Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine and this is Art Attack Creations, where I share my creative pursuits with you. That's right, you read that right. Leaf peepin' coasters. It's fall, y'all. Gotta have some fun with it. It'll make sense when you see what I'm doing. I know they're coasters and I know I've made some coasters before, but in this one I'm gonna cut my own coasters with my Cricut Maker. Got myself some wood and more paint. So we're going to utilize the techniques that I used in my previous video with the resin and the alcohol ink here, and also the dirty pour coasters that I made previously in this video. If you want to check those out, they're still up and available to you.
Okay.
Listen, you're making it so complicated. If only it had a pause button.
Oh, I get it. I didn't before, but I think I do now. This time, instead of mixing my paint with water, I went and bought the pouring medium that was available at my local Hobby Lobby. And I've done a few pours with it, and the difference is pretty cool. I really like it. It feels slippery, I guess, and just it's a smoother application. And I now prefer it. In a pinch, water works for me. I'm not saying it doesn't work, because you know, you don't have to rush out and do this to get the dirty pour on. This is smooth, so we're gonna use this time around. All that being said, I'm kind of glad my husband's out of earshot right now, because wow, there is no end of jokes to those last few sentences.
So dirty.
This is fun. I'm having fun. Hello, I'm back. It is the next day. Now the coaster dirty pour results are in. They're done and ready to be worked with. What I'm planning on doing with these is, you know, putting them together, and then what I'm going to do is put alcohol ink resin inside there. And we'll have a set of the dirty pour silhouette and the resin alcohol ink, because that's my favorite couple. Looking at this piece right here, there is a slight edge, okay? So this is like, I mean slight, like 2 millimeters. What I want to do in the edge is I want to put a darker color, like this is a dark brown. Hoping that it will kind of give it a outlined look. Okay, everything's painted, and as we get closer, things are looking really good. I think the plan is gonna work. It's looking good. This is my favorite. This will be my favorite. So what we're gonna do now is stick these together. So I've got the Mult-Purpose spray adhesive. I'm going to spray it onto the back of the cutout, stick it on to my back piece, and hold it together with a chip clip. Oh my gosh, I'm so pleased with how these things turned out, and I'm excited to show you. I just wanted to say, if you enjoyed this video at all, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see some more. This space is all about creating and being in the moment, so leave some comments. Talk to me. Have you done any of these things? Do you have any suggestions for me? I'm up for it. This is all about having fun, and we're in it together. So without further ado, let's take a look.